Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. As you probably already know, today we are opening up Vellabox. Vellabox is a candle subscription. I feel like it always arrives like just in time when I'm in need of some more candles each month. I love this subscription. I've been getting this for years. So one thing I like about this box is that it offers a variety of subscription options. So there's 3 options available. They have one that is $10 where you get the smaller candle. I believe it's about a 4-ounce candle. And then there's one that is $20 where you get the 8-ounce candle. And then the one that is $30, you get both of the candles. And that is a subscription option I receive each month. And each of them come with a little surprise bonus item each month as well. So it's super awesome. They always get their candles from small batch places like local artisans in the United States. They're all made with good ingredients, toxin free, all of that. So it's really awesome. And the candles seem like they have such a long burn time. So it's so amazing. I loved my lavender calendar. I got did I say calendar? Candle I got last month. What is going on in my head? Can I speak ever? No. But I love my candle last month, so I'm really excited to see what is in this. I have not looked at any sneak peeks or anything, so the box always comes in this container. Super cute. Oh my god, the bags are so cute this month. So when I open it, this is what I see. There's always a little quote. It says, "April showers bring May flowers." And then there's a pretty flower on it. The candles are always wrapped in little like drawstring canvas bags. And I think these are the cutest ones we've ever gotten. How adorable are these? So here are the 2. So this is the smaller one, obviously, and the bigger. These are so cute, the bags. I'm like already so happy with these bags. I try and repurpose them, like I'll maybe gift something in them, or I'll use them on my eBay store when I send someone some jewelry, because they're just so cute. You definitely have to reuse them. Every month is different. I love it. And it looks like, oh, this is awesome because I'm like trying to have a green thumb lately. Our bonus item looks like it is seeds for flowers. Marigold Dwarf Sparky. Is that how you say it? This is our bonus item. I'm gonna plant some soon. I'm so excited. I like how it goes with the theme, April showers bring May flowers, and they gave us seedlings, or seeds, not seedlings. These are really pretty flowers too. Oh my god, I seriously just posted on the day I'm filming this, my houseplant box, so I'm definitely like really into plants lately, so this is really exciting for me. Also inside every box you get a little card that says where the candles are from. So it looks like the candles this month are from Portland, Oregon, from Nature's Kindle. So that's pretty awesome. It says, "This artisan crafts premium soy candles featuring scents inspired by nature. Each candle is hand-poured in their Portland studio with love and care. Follow along as ideas born on the trail are crafted and brought into life as beautiful fragrances for your home." So, and it also talks about the candles we are getting, so I will reference that in just a moment. So let's start with the small candle, a cute little guy. God, I love these bags. Alright, so it says Nature's Kindle on there, handcrafted soy candles. This is a 4-ounce travel tin and it is in cucumber mint. Cool. So that is what it looks like. Oh, this smells good. This smells very refreshing. I always just want to do that. I say this in every video, like, here guys, take a sniff. I like it. So it says cucumber mint fragrance notes, fresh cucumber and mint, what the name implies. The scoop, relax after the winter blues. This calming blend of cucumber and zesty mint will mellow out your space yet energize you for the day ahead. That's a great description. That really is what it's like. I just keep sniffing it like a weirdo. It smells great. I like it. I like the packaging too. So now let's see what the big one is. cute. I love how this looks. So it's like in a jar type setup, so it's different than the smaller one, which I like. I like the variety. And this is Nature's Kindle in the Fragrance Rain. This is 8 ounces and a handcrafted soy candle. Rain. Oh man, this smells so good and like fresh. Ready? Smell-o-vision. So good. Okay, so it says fragrance notes. Crisp air, clean cotton, and rain. So good. I'm gonna definitely use this one first. They're both good, but yes. The Scoop. Spring rain blooms new life. This scent is fresh, rejuvenating, and will lift you up and cleanse your home. Seriously smells that way. My home definitely needs this right now. It just seems like I want to keep the doors open, get some fresh air, but it's just so hot out. So I think this will help make it feel more fresh in here, which is awesome. It smells so good. I'm gonna keep it open for a minute. And then they talk about our little extra for the month. So the Dwarf Marigold Flower Seed Mix, the bonus gift. It says, as Audrey Hepburn once said, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Begin your garden with these beautiful petite marigolds. This annual flower is known to grow easily from seed, typically to a height of 6 to 12 inches. Find detailed planting instructions and care tips from our friends at gardeningknowhow.com. And then they give a website. So that is super awesome. And there again is a card if you want to see what that looks like. I think this was such a good month and it was perfect. It's very springy. Like these bags, first of all, are so cute. I love them. And they have spring colors. And these candles both have like spring fresh scents, which I love. And it's really like fitting for this time of year. And of course, I've already talked about it. I'm loving this. I am going to plant these sometime soon. I don't know if I can do it outside. I'll probably have to get like some pots and some dirt, all that stuff, the planting stuff. God, can you tell I'm a newbie? I don't even know how to speak about it. And plant these. So I'll keep you guys updated. I already like have a highlight reel on my Instagram for my plants. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you should totally do so. I always leave my social media links down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.